For this video, we are going to show you how to install EiffelStudio on the Mac using the Homebrew Package Manager. When you have finished your install, we highly recommend that you watch the video on how to get your first Eiffel application started. Before we proceed with the installation of Homebrew, there are two important prerequisites to make the install of EiffelStudio on Mac possible. The first is that you need to install Xcode and the command line tools for it. The second is installing Xcode from the third party that provides this software. The links to Xcode and Xcode are shown on this slide. Go to the Homebrew website, www.brew.sh, where you will get some information on how to use Homebrew, and you will see the installation instructions at the bottom. To install Homebrew, you just need to copy-paste that line into your terminal window. So let's do that, and then press enter. It's going to install things. Press enter again. You need an administrative password. It's going to take a few seconds to install Homebrew. Now it's installed, so let's type brew doctor to make sure that everything is fine. Everything is good, so we are going to start the install of EiffelStudio. Now that we have Homebrew installed, let's update to make sure we have the latest package. And we are going to tap into Homebrew X11. This is where EiffelStudio is located. And then we are going to type brew install EiffelStudio and enter. It's going to take some time to install EiffelStudio since it may depend on the packages you may or may not have already installed. Now all packages have been installed. The last remaining one is EiffelStudio itself. Once the package is installed, EiffelStudio will be compiled. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes depending on the machine that you have. Now EiffelStudio is installed. Type which studio to verify that it's available, and indeed it is. Now you are ready to launch EiffelStudio by typing Studio. That's it. You can now start your first EiffelStudio project. To get started with EiffelStudio, click on this link to watch the video that will show you how to build your first Eiffel program.